welcome to my channel again. Hey friends, it's me, Smarty. Today, we went out exploring, but we found a big, wiggly river in our way. And guess what? There was no bridge. How did we cross? Let us see. Smarty Max, Luna, Buddy, come on. There, I can see a wooden bridge. Let us go and check it, whether we can cross it or not. They are all walking towards the wooden bridge. Reaching there, they look a rickety, shaky old wooden bridge, half broken. Oh no, it looks so risky to cross such a badly broken bridge. Smarty Max, there we see an old wooden bridge, broken and shaky over the river, funny wobbly planks. Whoa, that bridge looks super wobbly. Should we cross it? Better not. The explorer team imagines walking on the bridge breaks, falls into water, a funny splash, smiling. Haha, splash. Okay, bad idea. Time for some smarty thinking. Smarty Max wears an oversized thinking cap with a glowing light bulb on top. Thinking cap on. Let's solve this. Smarty Max, Luna and Buddy gather ropes, strong wooden planks and stones. Smarty Max, cheerful, knot it tight, tie it right, testing the planks strong as can be. Bridge takes shape, looks strong but wobbly at first. Smarty Max adjusts it, makes it steady. Smarty Max, proud, there we go. Our very own Smarty Bridge. Now let's test it. Smarty Max walks across slowly, wobble wobble, then steady. Smarty Max, it works. Problem solved, and we didn't even fall in the wiggly water this time. Smarty Max, Luna and Buddy are standing proudly on the bridge, waving, the river sparkling. See friends, big problems need smart thinking, good tools, and teamwork. Luna, we solved the problem with smart thinking and teamwork. Smarty Max, and now, we can explore the other side. Buddy, grinning, next time we see wiggly water, we build, not panic. All together, keep exploring, keep solving problems. Bye-bye, friends. Smarty stars, remember, solving problems makes you stronger and smarter. So next time you face a challenge, think like a builder, and you'll cross your own wiggly waters, too. See you next time for more fun, learning, and smarty adventures. Bye-bye, friends. Like, share, and subscribe to